Oh, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back. And we're up here on top of the NOUN Hotel here in Norman on a rooftop, one of our rooftop bees that we keep. So what we are doing is adding an extra box on there, giving them room. And then this colony right here that you're looking at, we pulled a frame of cells out. They had a few cells not quite capped. Pulled 2 frames out of there. We put it in this little nuke box right here, and then we did the same thing out of here. We pulled 2 other frames out of here and we put it in this nuke box, and these bees are getting along just fine. As you can see, no fighting. So these first 2 frames right here, 1 and 2, this one has the swarm cells on it. These came from the right hive, and then these 2 right here came from the left hive. Then we'll put a frame right here, give them some food, maybe 1 more shake of bees just to make sure, because we're going to leave this nuke box here in here, this on top of the roof. So we will lose some foragers back to these 2 hives, whichever one they came from. But yeah, we didn't worry about separating them or anything. We just put them in there. They're getting along just fine. Make sure that they got food. Opening up for these 2 queens so that they have ample room to lay. They are laying it up. Lots of drones coming in at Norman, tons of pollen. They have food coming in. We haven't fed them. In fact, we haven't been out here in maybe 6 weeks or so. So they are looking good. I figured I'd find a little bit more swarm cells, but we didn't. So very good. We keep our colonies on a tight side. And we've noticed since we've started doing that, they have backed off of swarming. Plus those young queens coming in, getting them mated after the summer solstice really helps us with swarm impulse. As long as we keep room on them. But they are looking great here and happy with their progress. So we will take some of those frames out, make sure that we got 2 drawn frames though in here, because we need that queen to open up room for her. So make sure 2 drawn frames are in that box for sure, just like we did to this one, and the bees will get work on it pretty quick. Alright, so that's the final product right there. We just slid the 2 older hives in a little bit, put that nuke on the outside, and it'll catch some foragers. It wouldn't lose too much bees, so they will be good to go. We'll come and check them here after a while, and next week, and see what they are up to and how the little split went. All right, y'all be keeping it real out there. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.